In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste style in Canva in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you have a thorough understanding to enhance your design skills. So let's dive right in. To begin, head over to Canva's website by typing canva.com in your browser. Once there, you'll need to sign in. Look towards the upper right corner of the homepage where you'll find the login button. Click on it to bring up the sign-in options. You can log in using your Google account, Facebook, or simply with your email, whichever makes you most comfortable or is most convenient at the moment. After logging in, you're greeted by your Canva dashboard. This is where all your creative projects live. You'll now need to select the project you want to work with. Click on the project to open it and get ready to apply some stylish flair. Next, it's time to choose the specific element whose style you want to replicate. This could be text, an image, or even a shape. Once you've clicked on that element, direct your attention to the toolbar located right above your editor window. Here you're looking for a paintbrush icon, which is actually depicted as a paint roller. This icon is Canva's tool for copying styles. Simply click on it to capture the formatting of your chosen element. Now there are occasions when this paintbrush icon might not be visible at a glance. If that's the case, don't worry, just click on the More icon, symbolized by 3 dots. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll find the Copy Style option. Click on it and you're ready for the next step. The next task is to apply this copied style to a different element. Locate the text, image, or shape where you want to paste the styling. Click on this target element and you'll see the style magically transform to match the one you copied. Lastly, you'll want to fine-tune the look of your newly styled element. After pasting the style, there might be instances where the size or positioning doesn't quite fit your design. Don't hesitate to adjust these as needed to ensure everything aligns perfectly with your vision. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to maintain consistency and elevate your design game in Canva. Remember, by pasting styles, you can effortlessly maintain visual coherence across your projects, saving both time and effort. With practice, you'll become more efficient and creative with your designs. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and happy designing.